hello and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siru. My name is Siru and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and don't forget to like my video and share it, and you can comment it as well. Also, I'm going to make today really tasty sandwich with the mayonnaise. So let's start. First of all, let's see the ingredients. I'm going to use 2 slices of bread, brown bread, but you can use white bread as well. So it's depend whichever bread you like. Also, I got some chopped cucumber, chopped carrot, chopped green pepper, and then chopped onion. And I got 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and some salt and butter. So let's start. Here in a bowl, I'm going to put all the ingredients. Chopped onion. This is just a small 1 onion and 1/2 inch of cucumber and 1/2 inch of carrot and 3/4 of capsicum, green capsicum. And I'm going to add mayonnaise. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt and mix it well. So the mixture is ready now. So I'm going to spread butter on the bread. Okay, now I'm going to put this mixture on top of the bread. Okay, I'm going to put it like this. So now it's ready to eat. I'm going to cut it in half. See how it looks like. Okay, as you can see, like this. So you will like this recipe. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well. And as well as the ingredients that I use in this sandwich, you can see in the description box. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye bye.